Captain's log, stardate 1709.2. Patrolling outposts guarding the neutral zone between planets Romulus and Remus and the rest of the galaxy received emergency call from Outpost 4. The U.S.S. Enterprise is moving to investigate and assist. Pull ahead, Mr. Sulu. Maximum warp.
Ahead, sir. Maximum.
Phasers, stand by.
Sir, at this distance?
We know their Achilles heel, Mr. Stiles. Their weapon takes all their energy. They must become visible in order to launch it.
A phaser hit at this distance would be the wildest stroke of luck.
I'm aware of that, Mr. Stiles. Are phasers ready?
Phasers show ready, sir.